In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Carrd.co website. Carrd is a simple, powerful tool for building clean, responsive one-page sites, perfect for portfolios, landing pages, profiles, or announcements. I'll walk you through the essential workflow from your dashboard to publishing with clear tips along the way so you can launch quickly and confidently. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Carrd dashboard. Here you can see any sites you've already created, along with the option to make a new one. Think of this as your control center. You can open an existing site to edit it later or start fresh. If you're brand new, the dashboard will be empty. No worries, we're about to build your first site. To create a new site, click New Site. You'll see a gallery of templates organized by purpose and style. Browse until you find a layout that fits your goal. Choosing a template close to what you want saves time. When you found one you like, click Select. This opens the template in the editor so you can make it your own. Let's explore the editor. The main canvas on the left shows your actual page, and the panel on the right holds the settings for whatever you've selected. Click on any element, text, buttons, images, or sections, and the right panel updates with the relevant options. You can tweak fonts, spacing, alignment, backgrounds, and more. If you make a change you don't like, use Undo to step back. The interface is intentionally minimal, so focus on one element at a time. Now customize your content. Click Text to rewrite headings and paragraphs with your own message. Replace images by uploading files or choosing from your device, then adjust size, position, and style. To match your brand, change colors and fonts in the settings, and rearrange sections by dragging them on the canvas. Need more? Use the Add button, the plus icon, to insert elements like forms for collecting messages, buttons that link to URLs or anchors on the page, or containers to group items and control layout. Keep an eye on spacing and readability, and preview on mobile to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. When you're ready, publish. Click Publish at the top, choose a site title and description, and pick a URL. You can use a free Carrd.co URL or connect a custom domain if your plan supports it. Confirm your settings and publish. Your site goes live immediately, and you can return to the editor anytime to make updates. Just publish again to push changes. That's it, your Carrd site up and running with a clean, professional look.